Nature is the best gift that this universe ever gifted us with. Nature actually talks if you're ready to listen. If you're depressed, if you're bored, or if you're just feeling the pressure of the everyday, day-to-day life, I want you to get outside, hit the nature trail. If whatever is near you, I don't want you to make excuses. And I want you to connect with it. Connect and see how beautiful the nature is. If you look at all these trees that are around us, you realize that they've been around for centuries, some of them, even before we were born, and they're going to be here even after we leave this place. It makes you appreciate the timeline of the universe and how everything is temporary. And suddenly, when you realize that, all of a sudden your day-to-day stress just kind of melts away, because you realize all that stuff is made up in here. And the peace that you get, the peace, tranquility, is unbeatable. See, all these technocrats and all these platforms, they want you to not experience this reality of nature. They want you to just be glued to your smart screen, your smartphones, all the social platforms and whatnot. They want you to forget about the world. That's the whole thing about the VR, right? So be very careful of that. Be careful of, how much time you're spending in front of the screens. Because those shit, man, trust me, all it gives you is stress, kills your health, gives you depression. We humans are not designed for those screens. We humans are designed to thrive in nature, in natural environment. We are meant to connect with the nature. Take care of it because it takes care of us. Respect it. Look at this stream here. I'm just going to turn my camera around to show you the stream. I just want you to listen to how calm it is. You hear that? You're not gonna fucking experience this in front of a mirror. Sorry, in front of a computer screen or on your smartphone. It's just beautiful, man. This is what makes you feel alive. Anyways, I want this video to be a reminder for you to get out there and connect with nature, because nature is medicine. Nature takes care of us. Let's go honor that and connect with Mother Nature, because it will teach us what life is supposed to be. Life is very simple. Let's unplug ourselves from the matrix and connect ourselves to this beautiful, lovely nature. Until next time, my friends, take care, spread love, kindness, and happiness. Bye.